Welcome back. Real excited that you're here. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like and all that good stuff so you don't miss another one. Last time I was here, installed the intake manifold, got the base of the high ram looking good, got plenty of room here because the cow's cut back. But the biggest thing is, it's not mounted down. I've got to get some hardware in here and I've got some other parts to go on it. Let's go. So these are the rails that I got with the manifold. I'm going to install that. Got some hardware and gaskets in this bag here. And check this out. Those are 120 pound per hour injectors. I mean, that right there at 43 PSI, 43 and a half PSI, it would give me plenty of fuel. And these are good for, these are from Holley. These are good for up to 1900 horsepower. So this should give me all of the fuel I need. I mean, that's big. So, since this is going on, might as well go ahead and fit these on as well. Okay, so all of the O-rings are oiled up and installed onto the intake manifold. I have to take all of these studs right here and put the long end into the head. Short end comes out. I think that's what the instructions say. So I'm gonna put oil on all of these studs, all of these, and then put them in the engine. All right, all of the studs are mounted. I'm gonna go ahead and slide the manifold here onto those studs and see if we got a way to go on here. I'll finesse it around the windshield there, but it's on. Yeah, it's on. So now I'll go ahead and put some nuts and washers, and this will be a bolted high ram onto the L8T. And this was the last one. Okay, let me just double check them.
Yep. 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 Mm-hmm. Yep. Mm-hmm. That's all right. Yep.
There we go. Bolted on. That's on there. Now I gotta put the fuel rails that are over here on the bench, these guys, on there. But first, I think we get these bad boys out, lube these O-rings up because they've been sitting for a minute. Wow, that looks awesome. I'm very excited to have that on there. I mean, that's top-notch. There we go. Look at that. Man, that means business. Sheesh. All right. Man, that looks good. I'm very happy to have all this on there. It looks great. Fuel delivery is done. Just got to get some fuel lines ran from the back to the front, some AN fittings, regulator, all that good stuff, and the fuel will be done on the car. Really appreciate everybody watching. Super thanks to you. We'll see you next time.